Shakehand is a company-owned business. We are distributing the products from Elisa and Ganter, which are an Italian and a German manufacturer of standard elements. Our market is the Belgian and the Luxembourg market, and our main customers are machine builders. Our plan was to replace the manual storage locations to an automated system. It helped to reduce the footprint, optimizing the volume a lot more, and also we saw that the picking errors dropped a lot. In our search for a solution, our contact person at Kardex remained the same during the complete trajectory. If I have to remember some points while our meeting, thinking along with the customer, respect for the budget, and to-the-point answers.
In 2018, Shakehand was one of the first customers to implement the Kardex VBM for their storage and picking of single items.
So working for almost 4 years with the VBMs, due to the growth of the company and the growth of our storage capacities needed, we had to go look for a new solution, and there Kardex suggested the new elongated VBMs.
When we started the discussions, we found out that the storage requirements they had did not fit completely with the VBM. So we started looking for other alternatives. At that time, Kardex launched the Kardex VBM Extended. We investigated, we found out that that was the perfect match with their requirements. With our new Extended VBM, we could double the capacity of each machine, while the performance is only impacted very little.